The audience for our media project will most likely be males from the age range of 15 to 24. I think this would be the most likely answer because males will probably be intrigued with the thought of there being a damsel in distress who was unfortunately a victim in the product, which was another convention that we included in our product. In addition, our research also showed us that there was a large gap between males and females who watch crime films. For example, Gangster Squad, distributed by Warner Bros. There were 68% of males who watched it, while the percentage of females who watched it was 32%. This tells us that males take a large interest in crime films, and that is the reason why males aged 15 to 24 will be the target audience for our film. Also, Joshua's research concluded that most crime films had a male protagonist or maybe antagonists. So this was the two reasons why our media product would attract more of a male audience. We attracted our chosen audience using specific types of camera shots, such as extreme low angle long shots, so that the protagonists look very dominant and infers they have a large presence in the scene. Also, point of view shots was able to attract our audience because it allowed the audience to be able to be close to the mind of the certain character. For example, when the second detective drove up to the scene, the camera was sort of at his point of view. This built up suspense during the film opening. Mise-en-scène similar to camera shots and mise-en-scène in crime films, for example, the black gloves when the second detective was driving to the crime scene. The use of the gloves isn't unusual in crime films, along with the crime tape around the crime scene. The use of the Enigma codes at the title 0359 dripping in blood during the product was also a good way to attract our chosen audience, using a mixture of horror and crime. Those were all types of typical crime film conventions which allowed us to attract our audience.